Ramakant Panda, medicine specialist, Capital Hospital, Bhubaneswar. Today I will be talking about COVID-19, that is coronavirus disease 19. Virus is a novel coronavirus new strain that is known as SARS-CoV-2, the name given by ICTV, International Committee on Taxonomy of Virus. SARS, Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome. SARS-CoV-2, a large pleomorphic spherical particle, crown-like projections on its surface, so it is called coronavirus. It is a single-stranded positive RNA virus of size 60 to 120 nanometer. COVID-19, name given by WHO on 11th February 2020. Disease first occurred in 31st December 2019 at one city of China in Hubei province. Subsequently, it spreads to different countries all over the world. Now, 210 countries and 2 ships in the ocean are affected. COVID-19 declared pandemic by WHO on 11th March 2020. First pandemic, Spanish flu, was 100 years back, that is 1918 to 1920. COVID-19 reservoir animals are bats and pangolin. Rapid spread by human to human. There are other 2 coronavirus infections in the past in the world. SARS in the 2002 in China. That virus name is SARS coronavirus 1. Reservoir animal, horseshoe bats and civet cats. MERS in 2012 in Saudi Arabia. Virus name is MERS coronavirus. Reservoir animals, dromedary camel. Transmission of coronavirus through respiratory route by droplet infection. Droplet size, particle size 5 to 10 micrometer. Contact by fomites. It is not an airborne disease. Incubation period of COVID-19 is 2 to 14 days. Infectivity without preventive measures is 1.4 to 3.9. Pathogenesis. The knob-like structures, that is spikes of coronavirus, SARS-CoV-2 virus, attached to AC2 receptors, type 2 pneumocytes, which present in the alveoli of the lungs. There they produce pathology by inflammation by releasing so many inflammatory mediators, cytokine storm. Interleukin 6 is the main culprit. Interleukin 6, interleukin 2, interleukin 7, GCS factors, interferon gamma, nucleoprotein 10, TNF alpha, and etc. Risk factors for COVID-19: cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, hypertension, COPD, CKD, malignancies, lung cancers, blood cancers, and other solid organ cancers. Extreme ages, less than 5 years and more than 65 years of age. Immunocompromised person, HIV AIDS, those who are taking anti-cancer drugs and steroids, those who are taking drugs for liver, lungs, bone marrow transplantations. Clinical features are asymptomatic 80%. Common clinical features are fever 80%, cough 76%, shortness of breath, respiratory difficulties 55%. Less GI manifestations are anorexia, diarrhea, vomiting, abdominal pain. Diagnosis: rapid antigen test by RT-PCR, that is liver transcriptase polymerase chain reaction, called nasopharyngeal, oropharyngeal swab during 5 to 28 days of infection, that is confirmatory test. Screening test, that is antibody test, IgM 7 to 28 days of infection it occurs. IgG 14 days after onwards it occurs in the blood. Other blood tests: CBC, neutrophil count increases, lymphocyte count decreases. Neutrophil lymphocyte ratio more than 3:1 indicates severity of infection. Absolute lymphocyte count less than 800 per cubic millimeter of blood indicates severity of infection. Other blood tests are pro-BNP, troponin I, LDH, ALTST, CPK, D-dimer, kidney function test, and absolute blood gas analysis. Chest X-ray, peripheral infiltrations, bilateral lung fits, and or bilateral pneumonia. CT scan, peripheral infiltrations or bilateral pneumonia. Ultrasounds of chest, B lines presence means it indicates severity of infection. Differential diagnosis. Common cold, rhinoviruses, respiratory syncytial viruses, influenza, parainfluenza, H1N1 swine flu viruses. Non-infectious causes, vasculitis, dermatomyositis are being common respiratory disorders. Management, treatment. No definite treatments are available till today, only supportive treatments. Asymptomatic, mild, moderate, and severe. Mild respiratory rate less than 24, SpO2 more than 94%. Moderate is respiratory rate less than 30, SpO2 90-94%. Severe respiratory more than 30, SpO2 less than 90%, which indicates ICU admission. Empirical drugs are available for the treatment. Hydroxychloroquine, chloroquine, lopinavir, ritonavir, remdesivir, vitamin C, vitamin, and other antioxidants. No vaccines available till date. Sepsivac under trials by Serum Institute. It will be available within near future, within 3 months. Preventive measures. Prevention is better than cure. In India, it is stage 2 now. In order to prevent rapid spread, we have to maintain RO scale less than 1. RO scale, that is reproductive number. Stay home, stay safe, use masks, maintain social distance more than 1 meter, cover while cough, elbow bending. Thank you.